I'm Bear Grylls, and this is Urban Survival. One of the first survival tips, if you find yourself stuck in an urban jungle like Eastleigh, is to find shelter. It's fresh. Dinner's nearby. Survival tip number 2, when caught in the urban jungle, is to scout your surroundings, to know where you are. We're here now. We're entering the most dangerous part of Eastleigh. Achoo. Achoo, damn it!
Achoo! Achoo! Sneeze, do it!
And if you get too close, it can instill in you some serious values of Euroscepticism. In fact, it has nearly crippled governments. This creature is UKIP. If you find yourself stuck somewhere like Eastleigh, then you must escape. Thousands of carcasses of dead birds and animals from where the strange, animalistic inhabitants of this place have eaten. For us, though, it's a fantastic place to hunt and forage.
Don't miss the show at Wednesday 6 PM and make sure to follow the show at #AreYouSureHe'sDead.